Hey guys, so today we're going to continue working on that end of the term final project. And if you can't find it in your Google Classroom, you can just click, your Google Drive, you can click this link right here and it should take you to the original post with the assignment on it. And it's just this end of the term project DL Google Doc right here. And it looks something like this. Okay, so we're going to be answering this question at the very, very end. Right now, we're just filling out the evidence. Monday, you looked for a career on Indeed that did not require a college degree, that was entry level. On Tuesday, you calculated the estimated salary. Today, you're going to calculate the estimated salary growth. So when you get a job, usually they increase your pay like per year or every couple of years to keep up with inflation, and if you're doing a good job, like to keep you at that job. So we're going to go ahead and calculate your estimated salary growth for this career that does not require a college degree if you were to work at that job for 10 years. The reason why we're doing 10 years, I know that seems like a really long time to stay at a job, is because it'll make it easier to compare with this college degree part. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. Let me go ahead and pull up the directions. So here's what you need to do to calculate that estimated salary growth. The average pay increase is usually around 3% each year. And we're going to assume that your salary will increase by 3% each year. We're going to calculate your salary after 10 years of working. Now, this seems really, really complicated, but you've already done a very similar equation with interest, where we calculated interest times principal times rate times time. This is going to be almost the exact same thing, except you're going to calculate your pay increase using your original pay times your 3% times 10 years, right? It's the same formula, just slightly different letters. Okay, so I'm going to write my formula up here before I forget it. The increase in pay equals our original pay times rate, which was 3%, times time, which is 10 years. All right. Let me check. What was so my estimated salary that I calculated yesterday was $39,644.80. So that was my estimated starting pay salary. That was just calculations that we did yesterday. Okay, so that's my starting pay. I'm going to take that times my 3%, but remember, I can't just put in 3%. I have to make this percent into a decimal, and I'm going to do that by just moving that decimal point 2 places to the left. So it's actually going to be multiplied by 0.03. And then my time is just 10 years. And if I type that into my calculator, /phone, because my calculator's nowhere in sight, give me just a minute. Calculator, 39644.80 times 0.03 times 10 equals $11,893.44. All right, so this is how much I will be getting in a pay raise after 10 years if we use this 3% rule. I need to add this to my original pay to figure out my pay after 10 years. So I'm going to just add that to this $39,644.80. And when I do that, I get $51,538.24. So that would be my estimated pay after 10 years. And that's all that you got to do for the day. If you have any questions, let me know. And we'll see you tomorrow.